What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Trick 10s. Today I'm over in my dad's garage because I still got the tractor over in my garage. I'm working on that build. And I had this guy come by. He's got this 1986 14-foot Stumpknocker. Now, this is not a 10 rig. This is not my normal type of boat build, but he's a friend of Billy's, and I wanted to help him out. He wants me to put a couple of sheets of turf in here. It started to drizzle outside, so brought the boat over here in my dad's garage. That way I can get this thing cleaned up. We can get this turf in here. This thing is pretty cool. I mean, for a fiberglass boat, it's got a pretty cool setup. You got two side compartments. One of these is a live well, one's just for storage. And then he's got a back bench seat. He's got a 20 horsepower Mercury outboard motor on it. He said this thing runs almost 30 miles an hour, which is pretty impressive considering that it is fiberglass, a little bit heavier than some of these 10 boats. The guy that owns this boat actually works for a marina, and he does all his own fiberglass work. He said that he tore his entire front deck out of here, and he replaced all of this, and he did some more work back in the floor back here. He had to replace that, and he painted the entire interior of this thing. And you can see the outside of it is like an army green, almost like an OD green. The inside's like a tan. So he's got a cool camo color going here. We're going to be going with the duck camo hydroturf. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get this floor cleaned up because it was clean. Obviously, it's pretty much brand new. He just painted it. But like I said, it was raining a little bit, and it's got some dust and some dirt inside of here. I'm going to have to wipe down the entire interior of this boat really good, vacuum it, clean it up really good, and we're going to be installing 2 sheets. Now, I hope that it's going to be enough to finish out what he wants to do. It's going to be close. I'm going to come all the way from the front of the bow, back across this front deck. I'm going to wrap it down, and then I'm going to bring this floor in here and go all the way back to this back bench seat. We got a couple extra pieces left over. I might throw some up on top of some of these compartments. I don't know. Let's see what we got, guys. Let's get back to work. All right, guys, so we got this thing finished up. The turf matches the boat perfectly. It actually looks really good. It's pretty cool. This is the 1/2-inch cut groove HydroTurf duck camo, and it's just perfect fit for this boat. It's a cool little boat. It's perfect for you to get out there in the water and just do some overall fishing. Have a good time. Appreciate you guys watching. Hit that like, subscribe button. I'll see you all next time. Let's get back to work.